In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to install an application for macOS 10, which is different than most other operating systems. I'm going to download Firefox here. And we'll just jump ahead. Now it's starting to download. We'll just go ahead and jump ahead until it's done. So now it's downloaded, and if I look in my downloads folder, it's downloaded an item called Firefox 7.0.1.dmg, and this DMG file type is a disk image. What that means, it's a file that contains contents that look like it's on an external disk. So if I double click this, and your computer may be set to automatically open these DMG files when you download them. But once I double click, it's going to open a new window in the Finder, and you'll also notice that there will be a disk icon on my desktop. So here it is, Firefox. It looks like it's a USB drive or FireWire drive connected, and here's what the image looks like, and it's just an application with a folder. Now this is where most people kind of get confused, and they'll just double click and open the application from here. And let's see what happens if I do that. Well, nothing surprising. Firefox opens just as normal. But what if I want to keep this in my dock? So I'm going to say keep in dock. And now if I were to say quit and restart my computer, so let's imagine that I've restarted my computer and I want to open up Firefox. You'll notice that disk image loads again, there's a new window, and then it finally opens up the application. So what's happening? Well, the dock item is not opening the file from my computer, it's opening it from this disk, which it has to open up. And what we really want to do is copy Firefox to the applications folder. And once we've done that, we'll go to our applications folder, and you can do this by going to a Finder, new window, and going to applications, or Shift-Command-A takes you directly to applications. And I've now installed Firefox by dragging it over to my applications folder. This is where you want to open it up. So now if I were to, now I open Firefox from the hard disk, it'll open fine. There won't be that disk image anymore, and now I can go into my downloads folder and actually trash that disk image. So this will save you disk space. It'll make your make the application run a little bit faster because you're actually running it from your computer and not from this imaginary external drive.